Alright, over here we have the tutorial. It's supposed to be week 6, right? 1 to 6. Oh, 1 to 5. Alright, 1 to 5. Let me see. It's 1 to 5. I typed in the wrong one, but never mind. Over here I've come up with few questions on 1 case, 2, 3, and 4 case. Alright, over here that's 4 case. Can you go back and can you try them up? This one will be your tutorial. This would helps you to be prepared for your midterm tests. Alright, I forgot to just highlight this to you. Alright, let me just go through with you. What do we have over here? Okay, Speed Bite Express. Alright, here's a fast growing fast food restaurant chain known for its order ahead and pickup model. The company started in sync, where it successfully integrated technology across operations from order taking to kitchen management and accounting. Alright, blah blah blah. You got the current operation in sync, the home country. Customer place order using self-check-in kiosks. Payment are made online or QR before order confirmations. We have the order. Let me just stretch this up. We have the order. How is it? Order transmitted directly to the kitchen displayed system, alright, the KDS. Then when stock level drop, the inventory automatically triggers the purchase order to the approved suppliers. All transactions, sales, purchase, payment are posted automatically to the accounting system. Alright, over here Speed Express plan to open 10 outlets in Mall, but several challenges have emerged. Alright, okay, this is like typical kind of questions you're gonna find. Alright, these are my level of questions. So what happened is that we have this company over here called Speed. I cannot got this Speed over here. Highlight. So basically it is a fast growing chain. Alright, fast food chain, and it started in, let's see, sync, and then now expansion. Alright, expansion to the new marketplace. So in this new marketplace we have some problems over here. We have how many problems? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The process over here is quite clear. Let me just go down here. Analyze the current process. You can do what you can do over here is there are a few ways for you to analyze. You can start by looking into the process. Look into this process over here, this 5 process over here. Highlight one by one the process. What are this process about? You can over here, this is a as is. Can over here draw the BPMN, or you can draw a BPMN over here. Then you can highlight the contextual difference. You look into each of these individual point, operate under different commissions and billing structure. Can you see that? You need to think. Alright, these are the normal. This is as is. Alright, we're going to go into here. We're going to implement over to here, and then these are the few things that you're going to find are still common cash payment. You see, you can see over here, see online QR, right? But over here cash payment is still common with limited adoption of this one. So you can highlight on that thing over there. Identify problem, risk, and control weakness. Again, over here you will start to frame. Alright, you need to frame, FRAME, frame. More like this is as is. Alright, you're gonna frame the problem. You're gonna see this will be the event, right? The events. This is the events. And you're going to frame the problem. You're going to identify the risk. You're going to talk about the control weakness that potentially face when you going to implement this in the mall. I forgot to throw away the Malaysia, right? I'll take away that one. The mall country, right? The mall market. Then we have recommend business process changes and prototype adaptation. So you're going to say, you're going to tell what kind of changes. This is the usual process. Just over here to here, this is the usual process. So what are changes you'll face, or what kind of prototype you're going to create for this? This is where you're going to talk about a lot of things that you can talk about over here, right? You can talk about the input-output process, or differences, or the things that are going to be expected to change, all right? Then you got your feasibility analysis, impact and implementation plan, all right? You need to really go down into detail, compare and contrast what happened over here. You got the tax, you see this one, the tax. You got the different currency rounding rules. You got staff turnover. You got the delivery with different commissions and billing structure. You got often delay, manual. You're going to compare and contrast to this business over here. Okay, now let's move to this one. Don't worry, you try them out first. I'll give you the answer later on. Alright, this is another company, another case study. This is about Smart Minimart. Basically, this company use the story over here. I'll just simplify it to you. Alright, just simplify it to you. This company use a POS system, but the POS system is an old kind of POS system. After new business initiative, they all go into cashless economy. And there are there are highlights of details point over here which you should leverage on. It's basically go back to your assignment, alright, if you see how you're going to critically evaluate each of these things over here. And these are some of the requirements that I listed out. Then we got another one over here is the Golden Harvest Food Industry. Okay, let me see what is this case about. There's a growth over here. What I say about here? What is this thing about? I've created this case. Oh, okay. The system, right? The AI system has okay. Right. This one, go back to this one, okay? See this one. They use a old system. Basically, the scalability of the system, right? System from a small system, now the business grown bigger, so they're gonna face some of these scenario over here. There are different scenario. So how you're going to enhance the system, how you're going to enhance this system. Do you going to add in, you're going to customize the system, are you going to add in new solutions, what kind of changes are we going to do? Yeah, these are some of the tasks that you will have to go through and look through on about. And finally over here we have okay, this one is a company simply called Ship wanted to ask for a solution, just wanted a logistic solution over here, tracking system, and just follow through this, and that's it. All right. The second keyword to this is, where is it? All right. Operations. All right. This is the second keyword, right? You combine this with this over here. Okay, see you all next week. Next week, all right? Should be next week. All right, see you all next week. See you back on 13th.